Hello everyone, I'm Vivian Berry. This is your Cyber Brief, powered by CybLynx, your trusted source for real-world security updates and expert insights. Let's get into today's breaking cybersecurity news. DHS, elevated cyber threat amid U.S.-Iran escalation. The Department of Homeland Security issued a National Terrorism Advisory System bulletin warning of increased cyber threats from Iran-linked actors and pro-Iran hacktivists, including potential attacks on critical infrastructure and poorly secured networks following the U.S. strikes on Iranian nuclear. News sites medium.com, thehackernews.com, cybersecuritydive.com, industrialcyber.co. State-sponsored groups may launch targeted intrusions, while hacktivists could carry out disruptive low-level campaigns. New malware and exploits on the rise. Researchers uncovered XDigo malware exploiting Windows LNK shortcut vulnerabilities to attack Eastern European government agencies. Industrialcyber.co, UpGuard.com, thehackernews.com, social.cyware.com. The UK's NCSC issued an alert on Umbrella Stand, malware designed to compromise Fortinet FortiGate firewalls, now being actively observed in the wild. Socialcyware.com, medium.com, DDoS and AI jailbreak risks emerging. A record-breaking 7.3 Tbps DDoS attack was recently thwarted, highlighting how large-scale, volume-based attacks remain a pressing threat. Medium.com, social.cyware.com. New techniques dubbed echo chamber AI jailbreak attacks are emerging, which subtly manipulate LLMs to bypass advanced guardrails. SecurityWeek.com, thehackernews.com, major breaches and intrusions. Oxford City Council suffered a data breach on June 7th and 8th, exposing 2 decades of personnel records. Intrusion was detected and most systems restored. Magidata.ai. McLaren Healthcare confirmed a July 2024 ransomware incident impacting 743,000 patient records. USA9.com, bleepingcomputer.com, securityweek.com. Nucor, North America's top steelmaker, reported data theft following a cyber intrusion. SecurityWeek.com targeted government and telecom exploits. Russian APT group Tag140, aka Transparent Tribe, APT36, deployed a Delphi-based DRAT v2 Trojan against Indian government systems. Social.cyware.com. Salt Typhoon, a China-linked threat actor, remains active. In late 2024, it breached 9 U.S. telecom providers, including Cisco routers, and accessed user metadata. U.S. continues investigations and .wikipedia.org. bleepingcomputer.com. Why these matters for your cyber brief. Geopolitical cyber risks are surging with tensions between the U.S. and Iran. Retaliatory hacktivism and state-backed cyber intrusions are very likely. New malware vectors, link file exploits, firewall compromise, and massive DDoS attacks indicate adversaries are diversifying attack methods. Legacy systems and public institutions remain prime targets. Oxford platform breach, healthcare systems, industrial infrastructure. Advanced persistent threats, APTs, continue targeting government and telecom sectors across continents, heightening espionage and data compromise concerns. Follow me for more cybersecurity updates.